An inspection company just got a new client, and they are very excited. The company administrator, who we'll call Rosie, writes a work order by hand. The client approves the work order. The company specializes in several different types of inspections, such as building inspections, pipe inspections, and home inspections. The inspector, who we'll call George, spends a couple of hours on the job site with the client and takes photos of the building defects with a digital camera. He has a bunch of documents, checklists, and notes to work on. Back at the office, the staff is very anxious because they don't know what George is doing. The client is also impatient because he's waiting all day to receive his reports. When George goes home, instead of spending time with his family and getting a full night of sleep, he has to work on his inspection documents. The next day, instead of going to another client to do an inspection, George makes a special trip to the office to give the pile of papers and the digital camera to Rosie. George spends a couple of hours explaining his documentation and photos to Rosie. This also involves deciphering his messy handwriting. This task frustrates the both of them. George does his best to recall all the details, but if he had a tool, he would remember more details and give a more thorough report. A tool that would help him beat out the competition. The next day, if Rosie is a fast typist and worker, she can prepare and deliver the documents to the client in 2 days. She spends the day typing up documents, copying pictures, and packaging the paperwork into a usable format for the customer. The client is getting even more impatient. Finally, the client receives his documents and can review the work George did 3 days ago. The client is relieved, but a bit annoyed the process took so long. A new client request arrives at the inspection company. The project plan requirements are typed out, delivered, and accepted by the new client. Everyone is happy. George goes to the client site. He uses a tablet that interfaces with his new application called Inspection Shark. George uses his tablet to perform his inspection instead of a camera and paperwork. George can document all the job site data to Inspection Shark. The application is customized to his specific reporting requirements. Inspection Shark can also work for many different types of inspections, including car inspections, fire inspections, and catastrophe inspections. Within Inspection Shark, George can take a picture of the building defects with his tablet and upload it to the website instantly. Then, he can include a full narrative with the photo. The data George collects is categorized inside the field headers of his choice, such as address, build site, or industry code. George can customize the layout of the app so he can generate a variety of reports. George can also add extra menu items he needs to the app. After George completes his inspection, the notes, images, and documents are automatically synchronized from his tablet to the website. Rosie can see those notes, images, and documents immediately at the home office. Inspection Shark automatically sends a summary report to the client. The client is happy to get the instant update. It also makes George happy because he can go home, spend time with his family, and get a full night's sleep. George goes on to the next inspection. Meanwhile, the client has full access to the application and can download stored company and email reports generated right after the inspection took place. Also, other employees with login credentials can go to Inspection Shark, review the document, and make changes. To summarize how Inspection Shark can help you compete for business and complete more inspections with our state-of-the-art tool. Our developers will create a fully customized platform to meet your company's unique needs and requirements. You can take photos from Inspection Shark with your mobile device. Employees and clients will get access to your reports you entered into the application instantly or as soon as you enter a wireless network. With our customized application, you can create instant reports and litigation responses. Your app can be formatted and downloaded for Apple and Android. Ready to get started? Give Inspection Shark a call at 877-794-3811. You can also visit our website, inspectionshark.com, or email info@inspectionshark.com.